Hey you guys, what's going on? It's Curtis, also known as the Invested Millennial, and we have an awesome video for you guys today. It's going to be a trade recap for the week of June 21st to June 26th, and it's going to be the Tradera trade recaps. And just to show you guys really quick, I have my phone right here, the profits that we're making. So this is on a small $300 account that I'm showing you these results in, and as you can see, it says the week right there. If I can get it to focus. Gonna focus. Come on. It's pretty difficult, I guess. It says $45, and that's on a $300 account, you guys. That's those are substantial gains. That's huge, 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 huge. So if you're not plugged into the system, I need you to do is comment down below or email me or message me on Facebook or Instagram, and we'll get you plugged into the system as soon as possible. But that's it for me, guys. We're gonna get right back into the video, and I'm gonna show you guys the trade recaps for June 21st to June 26th. So let's get right into it, and we'll see you on the inside. Bye bye. All right, everybody, we are finally in my computer, and we're going to go over the recap for what happened with Tradera's trades for the week of June 21st to June 26th. As you can see right now, we're on GBP NZD. This was actually our first trade that we got of the week. We got this on Sunday night, so quite literally, we were up. What were we up? We were up 63 pips, in the matter of a couple hours into market open for the week. So that was just the first trade, you guys. So we're gonna hop into the back office right now, and I'm gonna show you guys all the trades that we took. All right, you guys. Here we are in the back office of Tradera with the trade alerts. So as you can see right now, we have two trades on the screen, which is Euro AUD and GBP NZD, both for the 21st of June. And as you can see, Euro AUD was a sell position, and it was a win. And our take profit one was hit at 16 pips. So there's nothing wrong with that. 16 pips to start the week. And here we also have that same night, Sunday night market open. GBP NZD, we had a sell position. It was also a win, and our take profit 2 was hit for 63 pips. So already by Monday morning, you're already up what is that, 79 pips maybe? Yeah, so you're doing all right for especially for any beginners that are new to the market. 79 pips is astronomical to get, especially before Monday markets even open. So those were the first two trades we had of the week. We're going to continue on to the next trade alerts that we got. So let's continue on. Okay, guys, moving on. Here we are, the 22nd of June, which was actually the Monday. So here we have Euro USD with a buy position. It was a win with a total win of 64 pips. We hit take profit 2. Okay, moving on, we have Euro CAD with another buy position. It was also a win, 64 pips, and that was at take profit 2 as well. Moving on, we have June 23rd AUD, Australian dollar versus the US dollar for a buy with a win. We took away 16 pips from the market, hit take profit 1. As well as on June 23rd, we had Euro GBP with a buy position, came out as a win, hit take profit 1 for 16 pips. Moving on from there, we went to Wednesday, June 24th, USD Swiss franc, a sell position. It's still currently in progress, so we haven't hit take profit 1 nor the stop loss, so the trade is still active as we speak. And moving on, we have Euro NZD with a sell position. It was a win. We hit take profit 2 at 70 pips. And then we have Thursday, June 25th. I got all my days mixed up for some reason this week. Thursday, June 25th, GBP USD sell trade is still in progress. And as well as on Friday, we had NZD Swiss franc for a buy, and the trade is also still in progress. But we have a total pip count of 309 pips for the week, and we're going to hop into my calculator right now and do some quick calculations on what that really means. So I'll see you guys on the next screen. Okay, you guys, here we are on the calculator now, and we're just going to tally up our total pip count just to confirm we have 309 pips. So we're going to do 16 plus 63. Go to our next page here, get our calculator back open, and then we'll do plus 64 plus 64 again. We're just following along. Plus 64 plus 64 plus 16 plus 16. So plus 16 plus 16, we'll move that. This one is to be determined. The trade is still in progress. Next, plus 70 pips. Plus, okay, well, we'll do that. Oh, okay. Well, it was 239 anyway. Plus 70 pips. So a total of 309 pips. Just to confirm, that was our total pip count. And just to make sure that you know that's accurate. And so what does that mean, 309 pips? So if you were to trade at 50 cents per lot, so let's do 0.5 times 309, you would have walked away with roughly $155. We'll just round up, roughly $155. Now, if you wanted to, let's say, invest a little more money or just be a little bit more risky with your money, and you did your 309 times, let's say, $2 per lot, you would multiply that by 2, and what do you get? You get $618 for the week just in the signals alone, just in the trade alerts alone from Tradera. And that's pretty powerful stuff, in my opinion. $618 is life-changing for most people. And you really can't, compete. Like, there's no better system in the world. If I wasn't even a part of Tradera, I would continue to use this system. I would continue to plug into these markets and reap the benefits. So the choice is yours, guys. You can take the time, learn the skill set, or you can just follow our trade alerts and continue to make profits from the market. The choice is yours. Okay, you guys? So that really wraps up today's video. It's short and sweet. It's currently Saturday, June 27th. So this video should be uploaded, Sunday. And we're looking forward to Sunday market opens. And if you guys haven't tuned into the system yet, you really need to. So by all means, if you're interested, leave a comment in the comment section below. Get a hold of me on Instagram or Facebook or whatever the case may be. Just get in touch with me, and we will get you plugged into this system, you guys. All right. So I hope you enjoyed the trade recap for June 21st to June 26th, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye bye.